Hello everyone, this is Victor from Kinemo. So in this section, I'm going to give you a brief introduction about Freshchat, which is one of our major customer service center. So Freshchat is a live chat-based platform where customer can communicate to us on a message basis. So currently Freshchat is available from our firstly, our Kinemo app. When customer open the app, they will be able to see message and they can click contact us. So in that way, customer will reach us via live chat, also Freshchat. And the other way is customer visit kinemo.co.ke, for example. That's our PC website. As you can see from the PC side, there's a small icon. When customer click that icon, customer is able to reach us via live chat. The other way is from our FAQ center. So some customers prefer find the solution by themselves, or in other ways, we sometimes through a FAQ to our customers. So in that FAQ center, on the bottom right, there's also an icon where customer can communicate with us, the same feature. Okay, so currently, how does the flow work? Currently, when customer connect to us via live chat, customer will firstly encounter with our robot Ava, for example. Customer will first type in their queries, and our robot will give corresponding suggestions from the FAQ center. So if customer finds it's helpful, then click yes, then the case is closed. Unless customer click no, then customer is able to transfer to our agent, talk to agent. So in that way, customer will talk with us. So currently we have several terms like agent, group, reply, private node, blah, blah, blah. So we will go through this via the actual platform, Freshchat platform. So this is the main workspace of our Freshchat. As you can see, the first button is a dashboard. From this section, we are able to reveal like how many tickets or conversations left to be replied, and how many agents are currently online, and the first response rate or time, and the customer satisfaction score. Yeah, some other graphs as well. So also, if you would like to find your personal behavior, you can click the score to see how your reply is. For example, I'm clicking the unsatisfactory conversations. So those will be all showing from here. Currently, we don't have one. Okay, basically this section is based on today's data. If you would like to find your past days behavior, I'll talk about that later. So for the second icon, it's the inbox. So any new conversations will be showing here. So as you can see, when you click this topo, and you'll be able to see several views. For example, assigned to me, or assigned, resolved. Yeah, that by default it's showing a new ticket. So you'll be able to see from here. Those are all customer queries. So sometimes in order to reply in an efficient way, we need to click this icon, which is priority inbox. Once you click this, customers who waited for quite long will be showing from this list. And you can reply from the oldest conversation to new. So in that way, we can provide better service to our customer. And here's also a filter to filter first reply, due, or no reply. But mostly we just click a priority inbox to reply to the oldest conversations. Okay, then the next icon is a campaign currently is not available, and this is FAQ here. But mostly we review FAQ from this site. It's more customer-centered and more easier to capture. So this one is on the manage basement. So if you would like to manage the FAQ, you should visit this area. This one is a people about all our customers. This one is a reports. We actually refer to this section more. So firstly, the conversation overview. From this section, you'll be able to see like the daily reply situations and quantity on a daily basis. Unless you want to filter to the weekly or monthly. Okay, this is like general overview. The second one is team performance. So if you would like to know like how many tickets, how many conversations you've replied in the past several days, you can click this button. It will clearly stating that each person has replied how many tickets or conversations. So the next section is customer satisfaction. This one is also quite important. So for this, actually, each agent is required to check this sector to see like your how well is your behavior. So you can use a filter and choose your own name. For example, Beatrice, apply. And then you will be able to see like your general behavior and those conversations. For example, you want to see why customer is giving me unsatisfactory feedback or giving me 1 star, like why. So you can always get feedback from this section. The other two, not that important though. So, and then actually this is all about the overall structure of the Freshchat. Let's take a closer look to an actual conversation, for example. When we enter a conversation, you will be able to see customer's ID. This is actually our Kinemo ID, and location and those related information. And from this part is what we mostly work on. So if you can just start type any letters and then reply. But it is strongly recommended. Actually, it's highly suggested that we use the canned response or FAQ to answer, to deliver more professional replies to our customer. So by doing that, you can either click the slash button, you'll be able to see. And you can see, for example, refund. Continue typing, and it will be showing. You can scroll down to select the one that you would like to send. Or you can click here. This is also the same kind of reply. Yeah, you can also search. And then here is the FAQ. FAQ is similar to this site actually, just in a different view. You can just choose the corresponding answer, and this one is review, and this one is sent. So customer will be seeing that directly. The other ones are the attachment, image, emojis. I think you won't be quite unfamiliar with. This function is quite important. Actually, each agent is required to understand this function. This function is by saving a private note to our agent. For example, this customer is actually asking for change location to, for example, to kidney shop B. So you can see a customer actually wants change to kidney shop B and send. Customer won't be able to see this message. Actually, this message is only available to our agent, actually. So this function gives more consistent experience to our customer. For example, agent A comments on this. So next time the agent B, when open this conversation, the agent B will understand instantly like what customer need, instead of reviewing from top down to digest what customer really wants. And after each reply, you are required to click resolve, and you can transfer the tickets to other agent if you are unable to reply, or transfer to other group. Currently, you can either transfer to after sale refund or only required. Yeah. So thanks for watching.